Hey there, welcome to this tutorial on how to reply with GIFs on Instagram. It's a cool new feature that lets you add some extra fun to your comments. So, let's get started. First, you need to make sure your Instagram app is up to date. You can check this by going to your App Store or Play Store and searching for Instagram. Once you're sure you have the latest version, open up the app. Next, go to the post where you want to leave a comment with a GIF. Tap on the Add a Comment section at the bottom of the page. If the GIF feature is available to you, you'll see a GIF option at the bottom right corner of the screen. However, if it's not available yet, don't worry. There's still a way to leave a GIF comment. Simply find a post where someone else has left a GIF comment and tap on More. Then, select See All by Creator, and you'll be able to access a variety of GIFs from different creators. You can also use the search bar to find a specific GIF that you want to use. Once you've found the one you want, tap on it and it will be added to your comment. And that's it! You've successfully left a GIF comment on Instagram. If you don't see the GIF feature yet, don't worry, it's still rolling out globally. Just be patient and it should be available to you soon. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.